Story is more of a psychological nature. If you want to read it, you should be prepared to read between the lines. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the fifth video in the series of books for beginners. If you are a student of English and you are learning English language, then this series is very beneficial for you. If you haven't watched those videos I have uploaded already, then you can watch those videos after completing this video. Today I am going to talk about a book that you can read in just 1 or 2 days. Today's book is called The Metamorphosis by Franz Kafka. It is a story of Gregor Samsa. He is a salesperson. He goes to his bed at night and when he wakes up, he finds that he has changed into a when Gregor Samsa has changed into a cockroach. His family at first takes care of him, but with the passage of time, they think of him as a burden. But when he was okay and he was working hard to provide for his family, he was considered a member of his family. But when he was not able to provide for his family started to think of him as a burden. And at the end of the story, when Gregor Samsa dies miserably, his family feels relieved and his parents start to think about his sister and they decide that they will marry his sister soon. This story is more of a psychological nature. If you want to read it, you should be prepared to read between the lines.